Good morning, guys. It's June 1st. It's Monday. Let's see what we're doing today for social studies. After you watch this video and complete the Google form, hand in any late work that you have. We're on day 3 of our summatives, so you need to make sure that day 1 and day 2 are complete and handed in. Go ahead and take today's daily poll and then work through our discussion, answering the question and then responding to 2 other students. For today, day 3 of the summative, you are going to work with documents E and F. This is document E, and it has 4 questions that go along with it. Notice that in question 1, there are 2 parts of the question and then a why part. So this is going to be a fairly lengthy answer. So make sure that you answer all the parts and that you answer each of those parts in full and complete sentences. And full sentences for the remaining 3 questions for document E. On document F, there are 4 questions. You are just answering questions numbers 1, 2, and 3. You do not need to answer question 4. So 1, 2, and 3 for document F. Once that's done, you're going to hand it in, and then you are all set. Check out my virtual classroom for our fun activity photo winner and for the video and any other links that you need. And if you have any questions, just send me an email. All right, thanks. Have a good day.